Meaning of first offender.
First offender.
First offender.
First offender.
First offender. First offender is a legal term used to describe someone who has been convicted of a crime for the first time. Such an individual has no prior criminal record, and the offense committed is often minor. The treatment of first-time offenders can vary depending on the jurisdiction, but typically, they are given some form of leniency. They may be eligible for alternative sentencing, such as probation or community service, or receive a reduced sentence. In some cases, a first offender may even have the opportunity to have their criminal record expunged if they successfully fulfill certain requirements.